Here I've got Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select accounts right here, and tap on add account. And pick Google, as it's all about the Google account. And provide your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. And click on next then. Now just press the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And that's it, just tap on more and accept, and your Google account has been added. Wakey, and here it is. Then if you want to remove it, tap on your Google account and select remove account. Confirm that you want to remove it with all its data, and as you can see, it is no longer connected. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.